friends. Well, kindness is unbelievably important. It is often the number one thing that people are remembered for. Regardless of work, regardless of accomplishments, physical beauty, or all the riches, people really just care about kindness. Now, we all want someone to be really kind to us. Do you agree? So let's start today. Let's make the world a happier place to be. Well, I have 10 things you can do in your daily life that would make you a very kind person. Well, to watch the complete video, you can click on Skillopedia. Well, that's the place where you learn skills for the real world. Of course, you could also suggest some more topics that I can help you with. And I will make sure that I will come up with these sessions for you. So let's make this world a better place, and that's only possible with your support. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Skillopedia.